Superbike, you're gonna get a little something from the store. Why not talk about whether or not it's worth it to daily ride a motorcycle? Should you trade in your car? Obviously I did, but that's not for everybody. You got your pros, obviously. Freedom of the open road. Insurance is way less. Much better gas mileage. It's a trade-off though, because the tires don't last quite as long. So you save on gas, kind of make up it on tires. Depending on the bike, obviously. A bike like this, absolutely. You don't really have to deal with traffic. That's another great one. Then you got your cons. People drive crazy. And for some reason, a lot of them don't like motorcycles. And the most mature people, when they get in a car, they become bullies. It's a phenomenon called road rage. So now they're brake checking you, getting close to you on purpose, using their 3,000-pound vehicle basically as a weapon against you. Almost as if they feel it's an airsoft, not a real one, you know? You gotta be real careful for that. Then there's getting stuck in the rain. Getting stuck in the rain absolutely sucks if you're not prepared for it. If you have a rain suit and you're watching the weather, I mean the weather, watching the weather as good as you can. Most of the time it's wrong. But the rain suit comes in key. Me personally, I would rather be on my bike with a rain suit than in the car without one. Because think about it, you have to walk from the car to the establishment and back. You know, you might have a carport or a garage at your house, but when you go somewhere, you gotta park in the parking lot and make your way to the building. Now, even if you have an umbrella, you know how much of a pain in the ass it is to pull the umbrella out and open the car door at the same time and not get absolutely soaked? That's something I don't wish on anybody. So I damn sure don't feel like going through it. What's this? What's this? Don't tell me this road is closed. Okay, no, we're good. Another thing, depending on where you live, you really got to watch out for the polices. Because some of the polices don't like bikers either. A lot of them are bikers. But the ones that aren't, they can be a little mean. Got your BMW drivers. Thanks for reminding me, buddy. Those BMWs are the most unpredictable things on the road. When you find yourself around a BMW, or a Mustang for that matter, but for a different reason. When you find yourself around a BMW, you want to steer clear. And these Durangos as I call them, a lot of them are polices. Watch for that too. Oh yeah. And a lot of places don't care if you park right out in front of the establishment, which helps you to not get your bike knocked over. Pro tip. Hey, what's up, man? Can I get a pack of big bamboo? Matter of fact, give me 2 packs of big bamboo.
2 of them?
Yeah. Big bamboo though. That's big.
These are the only ones we have.
No. Don't tell me you don't have them anymore. It's not a bamboo. It's not made out of bamboo. That's the brand name. You always had them. This is like the only place that I could get them from anywhere near me, and I'm not seeing them, and it's making me nervous. Oh, that absolutely sucks. That sucks. They don't have what we need. Well, that one's kind of upon the way home, so. Benefits of motorcycling. This would be a pain in the ass in the car. Wasn't banking on not having what I needed. Pro tip, even if you're not doing a YouTube channel, you want to be out there on a bike, get yourself a 360 camera. Just in case anything goes down and it's not your fault, you have evidence. And I leave it on this mode that you just saw me put it on pre-record, where it records 30 seconds at a time, and it only saves it when I decide to save it. So you're not wasting all of your memory card space. Did you know? Open road. Shit like this makes it really, really annoying that you gotta worry about speed limits. It's like, how nice would it be to just rip it right here? There's nobody around. Oh my luck, there would have been a cop hiding right behind this pole. Wait, where am I supposed to be going? No. Wait, I'm lost. This GPS is not making no type of sense to me. Well, let's try, let's see. Let's see if I can trust it. Yeah. Looks like everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. The smoke shop down the block tonight. And everything's gonna be alright. Turn lane, right turn lane, right turn lane. Happy Mother's Day, belated Mother's Day, because this is probably not gonna get posted today. It might, who knows. But to the moms this is out there, happy Mom's Day. I might have to do a stream later. Happy Mother's Day! She thought I was gonna say something mean. Happy Mother's Day! I don't think you have what I need. I'm looking for a paper called Big Bamboo. You don't have that one, right? No, it's not made out of bamboo. That's the brand name.
Oh, okay.
All right. Thank you. All right, next up. Let's see if they got some. Why do they always do that? They see. Happy Mother's Day! they think you're not gonna stop. So instead of doing the smart thing and just hitting the gas and getting out of the way before it becomes a problem, they slow down in front of you, give you a nice target to hit. Them Infinities, man, some of those guys too. Some of those guys be moving. A lot of them know what they're doing, but not all of them. So you want to be careful around them Infinities, the G35s especially, and the G37s, but also the Q50s. They're not exempt. That might be the police is right there and at the Rancho. Nah, I don't think so. Those rims are a little bit too shiny. BMW. Remember what I tell you. Steer clear of them BMWs. And I don't know what's up with the Teslas, but I've had a lot of problems with Teslas not paying attention. Meanwhile, their cars have cameras all over that tell the driver what the situation is. But for some reason, I've almost been hit by more Teslas than I think anybody else on the road. What's going on over yonder? I see. Well, I thought it was police's, but that looks like ambulance lights up ahead over yonder. This place, I don't think they ever did sell the paper that I like, but they do have something very similar. I like the big bamboo. They have, if I'm not mistaken, the small bamboo, which will work for now.
I'm like, bro, we're over there like fighting, like he's playing, but it's my account.
So he'll probably give you most of the money when y'all do a hike.
Bro, yeah, he was like 85%. It's 1.8, I get 1.5, he gets 200,000. He's like, thank you. But the new one they saying is gonna be like real life.
If that shit ever fucking comes out, that shit ain't gonna come out, man.
Damn.
Man, shit, I'm in the wrong business. I wish I made money playing damn video games. Can they please tell me you got, I don't think you do, the big bamboo papers?
No, someone came yesterday looking for it.
You got the small ones at least?
These, dude.
Alright, I'll take a pack of those for now.
1 pack?
Yeah. Yeah. Card. How's everything, man?
Chilling, man. 230, 220.
Alright. Appreciate you, brother. Alright. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. But you can try sometimes and you just might find. You get what you need. Oh yeah.
Ay, Douglas
Get what you
Antonio.
need.